Hi guys, I'm here again, and in this video I want to show you how you can set up bundles on Prooval. Now, bundle feature on Prooval was built to help creators and experts to sell in a very smart way. If you already have services that you're offering, or you have your digital product on Prooval, you can put them together into a bundle and sell to your clients in a very smart way. Give them a discounted price and sell to them. Now let me show you how you can set up bundles on Prooval. If you already have your Prooval page, all you need to do is to log into your Prooval page till you get to your dashboard. Once you get to your dashboard, you'll see bundles right under the features Prooval has. Click on bundles and click on create a bundle. Once you click on create a bundle, we have 3 major steps to complete to create this bundle. So step 1 is to tell the buyers about your bundle. First things first, upload a cover image, which is very easy to do. Click on upload, then select a file to upload a cover image for your bundle. First is to impute your bundle name. Instead of just adding data products and bookings, you can use a very nice name like Launch Starter Kit. That one is telling them, okay, this has everything they need to do to launch a particular thing or a particular service that you offer. Next is the description. Impute a brief explanation of what your bundle is about. Then afterwards, you save and continue and move to the next step, which is step 2. For step 2, this is where you impute all the services and digital products you already offer on Prooval. I mean, you impute the services, the digital products that you intend to put together as a bundle. So you select each of it. So for you to actually use the bundle feature, you must already be doing something on Prooval. Either you are offering a service or you are selling a product, because this is what you are putting together to actually make a bundle on Prooval. So after you're done selecting the services and the product, the next thing is to impute your pricing. For the pricing, you can either select paid or free. For paid, all you have to do is to set your amount and choose multiple currencies if you want to, just as it's being displayed on the screen right now. Then afterwards, you enable slashed price and discount. This is very optional. Not everyone will want to give their clients a slashed price or a discount. Once you toggle on the slash price, set the amount for each currency. Afterwards, we move to discount. All you have to do when it comes to discount is to set your discount code. Once you set your discount code, you move to the percentage that you would like to take off for your clients. Once this is done, click on save and continue, and this takes us to the next step, which is step 3. For step 3, this is the part where you review and publish your bundle. This is where you check if everything you've imputed is correct and accurate and good to go. Afterwards, you click on review and publish bundle. Once you do that, your bundle is live and you can now click on your link to share with your audience. It is really that simple and easy to do. Note that before you can use the bundle feature, you already have a digital product you're selling, or you're already accepting bookings on Prooval, or you're already having a paid priority DM on Prooval, or perhaps you have a community you're managing on Prooval. Once your audience gets your link, this is how it appears at their end. They see all the services and the products they can have access to in your bundle. They pay one time and then they can have access to it. It is really that simple and straightforward. All of these things would not be possible if you do not have a Prooval page. All you have to do is to create a Prooval page by visiting prooval.com. Then also make sure that you already offer a service or have a product you're selling that you can put together into a bundle. For more videos like this, follow us, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video. Bye.